I am going to make my husband some TV dinners. Okay, I am cooking supper, and I have all these chicken thighs that I just washed, and you know, everybody has their own belief if they should wash them or not, but I'm going to cook them all, and I'm going to be out of town for a week, and then I'll be back for a day, then I'm leaving again. I'm going to visit some friends, and then I'm coming back, and I'm taking my mother-in-law to Michigan to see her sisters. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to, because he loves barbecue, and so do I. That is our favorite. I'm going to go ahead and we are going to start, and we're going to get the barbecue in the oven. Okay, so I have 6 on each tray. Okay, so we are going to, I'm going to go ahead and just spray these with a little bit of olive oil. I might need to put some in my sprayer. I just realized I don't have any. I got a little bit. Might need to put some in it. I can't believe me. Okay, so we're just going to spray these chicken quarters with olive oil. And then I'm just going to put on this seasoning that I got at Walmart. It's called rosemary and garlic, and I'm telling you, it is delicious. So we're just going to start seasoning our chicken. We'll make sure we get it good and covered. And then I'm going to spray it again. And just kind of rub it all in. Smells really good. This is a quick way to, you know, in a very inexpensive way, so he won't be eating out every night and not feeling good. But he does love it when I make him some really good homemade meals. So we got our chicken all. We're going to let it sit here because we don't want it to be so chilled that when we put it in the oven, we want a crispy skin. And I have preheated my oven to 425 degrees. And you can do this for anything. If you don't feel like cooking, but maybe, you know, once every month, or if you're just 2 of you, you can do this. It's a simple, simple way just to have your meat, and you can throw in some steamed vegetables or rice, potatoes, whatever you want, but you already have your meat prepped. Okay, I have some just barbecue sauce here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it is Kraft for $1.25. Can you believe that? It might be $1.50 now. I don't know, the prices just went up. But we're just going to put this on a light coat, and then I'm going to baste it again. So we're going to have barbecue chicken. And my little grandson wants to come in and help. Come here. I'm just putting some chicken in the oven. Can you say hi? Come here and say hi to everybody. Hi. Tell him you went to school today.
I went to school this afternoon.
Yeah, his little sister, they go to preschool. And they both went today. Aspen started today. That's my granddaughter. You have fun? Mm-hmm. He's a real tall 4-year-old. And everybody else comes down to here to him. And he's tall. He's a good boy too, aren't you? Very kind little boy, aren't you? Okay, and he's spending some time with Grandma this afternoon. Okay, it's time to get our chicken in the oven. Mm-hmm. He said we're making potatoes for Papa. Okay. You just take one and just wrap it up, okay? Mm-hmm. Just like that. Here you go. And just wrap it up. Because we're going to make Papa some baked potatoes, okay?
Yep.
Okay. Very good. So we're making Papa. Here. There's another one. We're going to roll it up just like that. Very good. So now we're going to put these in that oven right with our potatoes just on the rack. And we're going to have baked potatoes.
Chicken.
Yeah, we're cooking chicken and baked potatoes, aren't we? Mm-hmm. that's asparagus.
Everyone yourself to dinner. And what are you called?
Asparagus. That is asparagus.
Asparagus.
Asparagus. Huh?
Oh. You want to cut the potato?
Yeah, we're going to cut up some, we're going to roast up some potatoes. We're just going to kind of use our oven, and we're making simple things. We're going to make this potatoes and asparagus.
And this is a big potato.
So we can put it in with our
chicken.
With our chicken. See, he's finishing Grandma's sentences.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good.
I'm going to do it right over here.
Okay.
And right over here.
Now do it all over here so it'll be even, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to take it and just kind of rub it like that. His hands are clean. We washed his hands, didn't we? Mm-hmm. Well, there's some more in there. Put it all on there. Very good.
One more right here. Oh.
That had a lot of asparagus in it, didn't it? Okay, so we've got our potatoes, we've got asparagus, and he'll have we have roasted potato. Yeah. Yeah.
I put that all by myself.
He did all by himself. So we're going to have roasted potatoes, baked potatoes, and asparagus, and some small salads for the week. You want to put those in the oven? Well, we're going to have to wait a few minutes because we're going to put it in about 30 minutes before, okay?
Okay.
We might have to stick that in the air fryer. Okay, I'm going to put this in our air fryer, and I'm just going to let it get good and crispy so I can just put it in the plates later. You stir it around with that. Yep. I'm going to spray a little bit of olive oil, and you just stir it around, okay? Simple stuff.
I'm going to chop them.
I don't think we can chop them. They're already the perfect size. You just need to stir them around, okay? We're going to put our potatoes in there. You want to do it? Here. Okay, now stir them around with the pan. Make sure they get even, just like that.
I'm going to put this down.
Mm-hmm. Is that good?
Okay.
I better do it. I don't want you to get... So we're going to have a whole bunch of different meals for my husband for the week, plain and simple, and he can add other things if he wants. But we have sandwich meat. There'll be plenty of things here for him to eat, but I just want him to have a home-cooked meal, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we are going to get out our chicken. It is all ready. Got out our potatoes. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. This is our barbecue, and we're not quite finished with it yet. It's done, but we're going to add some more barbecue sauce. It smells so good in here. My husband likes his barbecue chicken saucy, and so do I. If I'm going away or if I have a really busy week, sometimes I will prep, but I'm actually got 3 trips in the next 2 weeks. So it just kind of came out like that. I don't know. My videos will still all be up. Now our asparagus is all done, and we're just, I'm gonna just set it right here with our potatoes. When all this is cooled, I just have some little TV, or I have some little containers here, and I'm just going to fill it up and have him some TV dinner. So this really was a simple, easy, it's really one thing, just made it 2 different ways. I think I'm going to go with barbecue. Like I say, you can put any of your own favorite vegetables or potatoes, whatever you like. Oh my gosh. I was so hungry. And you want to make sure your chicken is 165. Okay, we're going to start making my husband's TV dinners. And I'll put in some of that roasted chicken. We're going to put in some potatoes. And some asparagus. I'm going to make these the same. Okay, these I'm just going to put some barbecue chicken in. These are smaller, and he's going to have a salad with the barbecue chicken. He likes that. He loves to have the salad, and he can throw in whatever he wants. Baked potato. I'm gonna put the baked potatoes in one of these, so he can just grab one out. So he'll have a baked potato, salad, and chicken. Okay, I have my baked potatoes are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and just open them up so they can cool down some. These are the one Axel helped me wrap. He's so cute. He wanted to stay and help Grandma shoot a video. So we've got 4 baked potatoes. See how simple? We just used the same ingredients, but we made 2 different styles of each one. We made barbecue chicken and roasted chicken. We made roasted potatoes and baked potatoes. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, for commenting, for coming along and helping me prep out. I've been doing videos kind of late in the evening the past few days because I wanted to do some prep time for my husband. Normally I do videos in the morning or at lunchtime, but today I really needed to get this done, and I wanted to bring you along with me. I am enjoying and feeling more comfortable thinking you might enjoy something like this. I don't want to bore you, but prepping, simple, easy, inexpensive leg quarters and potatoes and whatever vegetable I had in there, and I'm going to make him up some salads. But you guys, I just want to say thank you. You are the best audience on YouTube.